Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Betha. So in my channel we do hair videos and some reviews, and we also talk about life. So let's get started. So guys, it has been a minute since I uploaded a video. The last video I uploaded was a video on dyeing my hair and some mini braids that I got after dyeing my hair. So the color of my dye was actually brown. It was a blonde brown, and I felt it was too bright, so I later ended up crocheting some salsa, and it actually looked almost like the wig I'm wearing right now, although it was brown in color. So after I crocheted some salsa, I decided to take them down a month later, and when I took them down, I felt that my hair had thinned out. So I decided to get some mini braids so that I could attend to my hair. So I did that, and after a few weeks my hair was looking so shaggy, and the thinning that had happened to my hair made my mini braids look so skinny, and I didn't like how it looked like because my hair had really thinned out and my curl pattern had changed. I actually realized my curl pattern had changed when I washed my hair, because my hair was too sticky and I couldn't get through it unless I used a comb, which was unlikely. Before I dyed my hair, I could just have a full wash day and do all the washing without actually needing to go through with a comb. So after seeing the mini braids and my wash day processes, I realized my hair had thinned and I wanted to shave it or just trim it off because I didn't like how my dyeing had turned out. So I later went in and kept some braids because I wanted to get away with the fact that I was feeling my hair was so thin, and yeah, that's what I did. I went and got some braids, and they actually turned out pretty nice because it had been a while since I had braids, and I loved it. So before we continue on our update, I just wanted to show you guys how I apply and the results I get after using this Dr. Rachel black mask. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it comes in a box, and inside this is what you find. Yes, this is how it looks like. So it's just a skincare routine, and you just apply it on your face, and after it has dried up, we are going to peel it off. It is a mask that is used to remove blackheads, and we just want to see if it works out. So it's actually black in color because one of its ingredients is charcoal. So I'm just going to take it and apply all over my face. It is really smooth, sticky, has no particular scent, and it is very cold. It also dries up really quickly, so you're going to try to get through your face quickly before it starts drying up for uniformity. Back to my hair update. A month later, after I got braids, they had done what? Grown older and looked untidy, so I had to get them out. And that was when I saw my hair again. I had some growth. My black hair was growing in, and I think I'm looking forward for a shave, or rather a trim, because I really want short hair. I think I love short hair at the moment because I want to start growing out my hair again. And before that, during all these processes and time, I have been thinking about putting micro locks. I have been thinking about this for a very, very long time until I ended up purchasing this retwist tool for micro locks, and I'll show you guys how it looks like. And I don't know yet if I am ready to have those micro locks in, and I wanted them to be placed in a good or nice pattern, and to have a nice, what is it called, crispy partings that will make them look good. But I have been so lazy to do that, and one, I wanted to do it on camera. Two, I am not sure of how they'll turn out, so I don't know if it will work out for me well, or I just don't know. So I have been afraid to experiment that. But before I shave, I would just like to lock my hair with the mini twist, to start my starter locks with mini twist and see how they go. If they turn out well, then I won't trim my hair. Instead, I'll let it grow out. But if they turn out unlike how I expect them or like them, I will end up trimming my whole colored hair and leaving my new growth and trying to focus on that. So, yeah, I have been up and about. I actually traveled up country for the election period, and now I am back. So that's it, I think. That's all the update I wanted to give you guys. A few minutes later, I am back, and as you can see, it is really dried. I can't even laugh or talk. It's so sticky and so shiny. So we are just going to use our fingers to peel this off. And the good thing that I realized about this mask is that it just like flows continuously like a paper. So when you're going to peel it, it's just going to continuously move, but it somehow was painful. If you are someone who gets pink skin after just a little bit of a rash, this is not going to be your mask, because you're going to have a pink face after removing your mask. So you're going to carefully peel the mask off. Make sure you don't hurt your yourself or your skin. As you can see, I am really trying hard. Another thing that I also realize is when you're applying your mask, make sure it doesn't end up on your eyebrows or your hairline, because pulling it out, it will come out with your hair, and it's going to really hurt. When I finished removing my mask, I ended up realizing it didn't do a pretty good job, because I think I laid my mask on an oily face. I was supposed to first cleanse my face with water and soap to remove all the oil as per the instructions on the box, and after that a good steam would be more efficient and would make my work easier. But these are steps that I skipped because I was so excited when I bought the mask. So next time, those are key steps that I will take to make my mask work efficiently. So I'm just trying to pull out the mask, and yeah, it hurts a little bit, but I just managed to get very few blackheads out and a little bit of my, what are they called, hair. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, and I hope you try this mask out and tell me the results of if yours worked out or didn't like mine. But until next time, I'll see you guys, and that's me signing out. Peace. Remember to wash your face again to remove all the mask tiny particles that seem to be so sticky and remaining on your face.